What's up, traders fam? Hope you guys have a wonderful day today. Today we're going over how to claim access to your purchases from the TRADRS Marketplace. So there's two ways to do this. One way you can go through is the member portal, or the second way is you go through the Marketplace page and sign in with your WAP and go to My Purchases and claim access through there. So in this video, I'm going to go through a whole entire walkthrough guide on how to do both of these. So without a doubt, let's go right into it. So what I'm going to do first is going to go to traders.com website right there. Then what we're going to do is I'm going to scroll down. So we're going to go to the marketplace first. To community resources right here, TRADRS Marketplace. Hit Explore Marketplace. So we click Explore Marketplace. I'm going to go through a whole walkthrough and like claiming access, buying in, and stuff like that too. So we have a couple algos listed here, or independent creators who listed their algos. I put a test listing up. So I'm going to hit View Details. There we go. It's how a typical listing will look like in sorts, with their display name when they published it. So I'm going to click Get Access. So it's free. So this is a test. That's what I'm doing. There we go. Put in the email. This is my test email I'm doing it with. So I'm going to have to put in the code as well. There we go. And this should give me the purchase symbol. There we go. Successful. So now it's purchase complete for this test listing. So now I'm going to go up to My Purchases. I'm going to sign up the WAP. There we go. I'm going to type in my email that I used to purchase this with. Sign in with Gmail. Hit Continue. I'm going to put the code in again. There we go. We're going to sign in. Now we're in the purchase page. So you're there in My Purchases. You used to see your purchase right here. Test, what's the title name of the algo that you purchase. And then here's a listed algo. It's orb. So I'm going to type in my TradingView username. So I have a TradingView username that I'm using for testing purposes. There we go. So it's automatically saves. Then what you do is click Claim Access. And you should see it pop up in the bottom right here, that access granted to the test algo that you purchased. So it just shows right here the username and the algo that you got granted access. You should view it inside your invite only list inside TradingView itself. So that is one way to do it, to claim access to your purchases from the TRADRS Marketplace. The second way you can do it, right? If you go up to account, you can go to member portal. And if, let's say, you haven't signed in to the member portal yet, since you already did it through the marketplace, it will look like this. Then what you do is sign in with the WAP. So you type in the code again and whatnot, but I already signed in, so it's going to say my credentials. There we go. So we're signed in. Now we go down to the left-hand side, go to My Purchases, and then same thing. It saves my TradingView username, and you just click Claim Access. So that's basically it right there. So since we already claimed the access from the other page, it's going to automatically update it from here as well. So, and on top of that too, if you ever lose access, you can hit reclaim here, and now it's grants only one access per TradingView username per purchase. So you can't have multiple TradingViews, or else it's going to remove your TradingView username and then basically give it to the other account that you're giving access to. And then on top of that too, the TRADRS Marketplace is right in here as well if you want to purchase something as well. So yeah, that's basically it. If you have run into any technical difficulties or any sorts like that, feel free to contact us on Discord or via my DMs, or Andy@traders.com for any support issues, technical issues, to help claim access to your indicator and purchases. So yeah, catch you guys in the next video. See ya.